Hey, Mike here, product specialist at BWGS. Pretty excited about our new Ion 1000 watt DE systems. So let's take a look. Ion 1000 watt DE systems are compatible with 120 volt, 208 volt, and 240 volt operations. Ballast also runs at a low frequency, which is optimal for our enhanced DE lamps. Some of the safety features include soft start technology, hot restrike prevention, end of lamp life recognition, and thermal overload and circuit protections. The Ion all-in-one systems include a 1000 watt enhanced multi-lume DE lamp rated at 2100K, a CRI of 30%, and 148,000 initial lumens to complete your ultimate indoor growing experience. One of the cool features with these Ion 1000 watt DE systems is a dimmer feature, which you can reduce the output by just dialing in at the different wattages. And these guys are the connectors for the Ion digital light controller to be able to piggyback them and run in series. Keep a lookout for our videos on our USB controllers, and to learn more on how to get lit up, go to ionballast.com.